What up, guys? We got Kelvin's Turbo K Series MR2 in the house today. Yo, this shit is badass. Might be, I think, second MR2 that we tuned here.
Yep.
So you gotta give us a setup on this. This shit looks insane, bro. What size turbo?
6870 precision. It's a full K24 piston rod motor, stock sleeve.
What trans is in here?
It is a Z3 trans with Gear X gear set.
So built K24.
Yep.
What had package?
It has stock cams with
stock cams.
Stock cams, spring retainers, and prayer valves.
You told me earlier a street car, right?
Yes.
Yo, pop the trunk. I need you, after you guys see that, I need you guys to comment if this shit's a street car. I told them this shit is not a street car after this. Air to water setup, right? So here's this thing, and where's your tank at?
Front.
I'll show you guys the interior in a second. Yo, Jamie, do street cars have air to water setup?
Yes.
Yo, this shit is badass.
It's nice.
So air to water. We got two Kirkies right here in the front. And this is on K-Pro ECU, right?
Yeah, V4.
K-Pro V4 aim dash.
I gotta send you the layout for this.
So I see a ktuned 80 mil skunk through intake manifold. It's a Z3 trans, obviously twin disc clutch. Yo, tires.
Axles.
What's tire size on the back of this thing?
255, 45, 17.
Shit got pretty nice. So what's the horsepower goal today?
We're looking to get like 750, 800.
What size turbo you said?
6870.
6870. 7800 on E85. You got a flex fuel sensor.
Yep.
So pump, assuming 500. And what's the goal with the car after this?
Just enjoy it, man.
Have fun with it?
Have fun with it.
Street car, right?
Street car.
I'm gonna drop his Instagram tag in the video. We're gonna get the car on the dyno now with Jamie. It's a K-Pro ECU, built 2.4, Z3 trans. I see got a clutch slipper in there too.
It's not connected though. It's
Nah.
there for future.
Let's make some fucking power.
I don't know.
Let's make some fucking power in this thing.
I don't know if this is a street car. I think this shit looks kind of like a race car to me,
It's
but
a New York street car. We do everything in New York. Let's get it.
damn.
Let's go.
Yeah, I like my boy. My boy hyped over here.
Let's go.
Yo, 800 horse, 900 MR2. What do these cars weigh?
This one weighs 2450.
2450. What year is this car?
91.
91 MR2, 2450, 900 wheel, 800 wheel. That shit gonna be insane. I always see these shits on YouTube, but never in person. Car's super clean. I like the plate, man. MR2K. This thing is dope. Real nice car. Y'all go open it up? This thing is nice. I like the staging brake setup. Yeah, you know what I like about here? You left the radio. You just like me.
Yeah, you gotta have a radio.
That way, that's New York right there. Yo, I got a street car. My shit got power windows and a radio.
Look, it has a radio.
It got a radio and it works. Alright, so that's the goal. He wants to make 800 wheel. I'm hoping I see 800 because that's just gonna be crazy on the dyno. And I got some glue for you too, just in case the shit starts spinning.
So I don't know what the fuck's going on.
But I took Sonic's camera because he had to go do something. And this guy walking in the parking lot. Look like, yo, you out here?
I'm trying to make some money for 3203 track rental, baby.
Did you take wheels or cats? Alright guys, so they drained the pump gas out of the car. They got the E in there now, and this is the first pull. The car should make some good power right now, so let's see what it does. Well, look who just showed up. Yeah, you changed the alternator yourself? You already changed it?
I wish I could.
Damn, bro.
It's been the shittiest day of my life.
Think so?
Yeah, today's definitely gonna be it.
Nah, we just getting started, bro.
Oh, I know I'm just getting started. I'm gonna be here until 3 o'clock in the morning.
Another car just showed up for the dyno.
No, another car just showed up for alternator. What time is it? 8 o'clock at night?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, where you going? The glizzy break?
I lost my car.
Yo, you do got a little hot dog right here.
Yo, you've been having everybody call me Glizzy God for the past couple months.
Yo, you wait till World Cup.
I am not looking forward to it. Yo. Oh, stop whatever you're doing. I left real quick, right?
Took a break.
No, I ain't take a break. I had to go pick up some shit to do an alternator on. So I left. I need you to film me on what's been going down. It's probably on footage, but give me the full rundown.
So we epoxied the block, and the master said that wasn't a good idea.
He told you that before the dyno?
Before the dyno.
Uh-huh.
So we kept it on pump gas and made almost 400.
So you made 400 on pump?
Yeah, about.
Okay.
He said not to go above that on 93.
All right.
So now we just did our first pull on 85.
Did you have any issues on when you was on
No,
pump?
no issues. It's not Kenny.
You wasn't like Kenny, right?
Nah, not like Kenny.
All right. So
far, so good.
400 on pump, and then what?
First pull 570.
570 on E. And you said how much you trying to make?
750, 800. Let's see what happens.
What size spring you got in the
might run
wastegate?
out of fuel.
Oh, what size injectors?
Well, the 2000s, but the pump, he said it might not be.
What fuel pump?
Hellcat.
525.
Has a relay though.
Doesn't matter though.
We'll see what it does.
You should have came through here with like one of those Magna pumps, you know?
I'll leave it here. You
Yo,
want to do it for me?
hype man. How you let your boy come over here with a Hellcat pump trying to make 900 wheel?
Yo,
Come on, bro.
We thought we had it, bro.
Yo,
you know?
Cat, they should have knew better than that.
Yo, he almost broke your dyno, bro.
He-
The whole car was about to take that whole dyno with it.
He said he was gonna break my
What
dyno.
is this, a Harbor Freight dyno?
800 horsepower ain't breaking my dyno.
Let's see what it makes, though. Let's see what it makes. Come on.
Yo,
We still got some heat in these.
I want to see a cartwheel if we make 900.
He don't know how to drive automatic, though.
Huh?
He can't drive automatic.
Yo, you heard him? He said you can't drive automatic. Oh,
A lot about driving. Can he drive?
damn. I got you. I'll hit save. Where we at? 573. Yo,
How much boost was that, Jamie?
yo, he said you would. Yo, he said you wasn't ready for your power. You think he gonna be able to handle this rear wheel drive? He not ready, right?
Gotta hope there's no holes.
You not ready. This shit spun yet? It spun?
So far, so good.
No, it ain't spin yet, right? Yo, 573.
We're going up.
Going up.
We hit 900. I'm doing the cartwheel right here.
I got you. I'm gonna catch that all on footage. That sounded like a little six. A little like
a little high 6. I'll give it high 6.
nah, they were like 650.
So what we got?
What we got? Yo, what was that?
641.
Damn, I was close. I was close.
Yeah.
Yo, you know how I know that shit was making jam? The tire started to have that fucking bead in it. That shit squatted. Yeah, what you need, 2 and a brake?
Actual neutral lap.
They don't know. Yo, J-Rock. Yo, J-Rock is so mad at me. Changing the alternator out 8 o'clock at night.
Nah, next time.
All right, boys. Final number 7. No, 6.
6.
You said 9.
No, I said I wanted 7.
Yo, you said you wanted 8.
Yeah.
6 what? What was it? 6?
641.
Yo, you owe YouTube a fucking cartwheel.
Not tonight.
Yep.
Not tonight. It's supposed to be 900 and I do a cartwhll. 900 and I do a cartwell.
What happened here today, bro? How
No,
much?
you gotta talk to the
Nah,
scientist.
I'm talking to you. How much on pump you made?
3 and change.
All right, how much was the final number on the 85?
647.
And why couldn't you go up higher?
The scientist said that the turbo's sucking up the exhaust from the dump tube.
It is, and I think what you're almost at a what? I think
We're at a duty. It's
At a duty.
92%.
my boy came here with a Hellcat 525 pump, trying to make 800 wheel. But
Hey.
final number 650, I think.
Yeah, about 650.
So you and him left today with 650 horse.
Yep.
It's a pretty good day.
Yep, not bad. It didn't break.
It didn't break,
Didn't break.
and you ain't have no
Come back.
issues like Kenny.
Yep.
So where are you gonna take the car to after this? Track, street?
trailer at home.
Disney World.
Disney World? You going to Disney World because you guys don't know how to drive, bro. Shit.
I can't go. My big ass can't fit.
Yo, come on, let me get a cartwheel.
I got $10 on the cartwheel.
$10?
Nah, I got work, bro. I can't
Yo.
get injured.
$10 on a cartwheel?
Start stretching right now.
Yo, cat, look at cat face.
wanna pull a hammy.
You taking that $10 right for a cartwheel?
Let's see.
Yo, cat, let me see a cartwheel for $10.
Yo, we gotta see 4.
Matter of fact, I got $2 for his first.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, Jerry. I do it for the camera.
Me?
Yeah, let's go. $10 for a cartwheel for the camera. All right. Let me.
$10, you?
Come on, cat, do a cartwheel.
That's what I'm saying. Give me the $10.
He wants money first. Money first.
He don't trust you.
I swear.
Put the money in his hand.
You gotta have good form though. Gotta have good form.
You don't trust him?
That's fucked up, right?
Yo, cat, let me hold your stuff, bro. I got you. Let me see something. Let me see. Let me see. Yo. Let me see. Yo. Okay. Yo, all right, Mr. Miyagi. Let me see that.
I got to call out of work.
What happened at the end, though?
I don't know.
Yo, J-Rock, yo, you know what I'm gonna do for that video? As soon as I see
That's
the
the
cover,
intro right
I'm gonna
there.
put the fart noise right on that shit.
Yo, make sure you send that, because I need some wheels.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, okay.
Nah.
All right.
I'm gonna end this here. MR2 last horsepower number 650, 650 change, and then the EK 650 change. So I'll see you guys on the next dyno session. Damn. That thing sound good.
Shout out to Jamie, though. Shout out to
Jamie did his
the whole
thing.
team out here.
Yo, we light up Dixwell right now?
Yo, y'all is so hot box.
Can we go get some cars real quick?
Yo, it's Car Central over here. Look, it's A90, got a K-hatch over there, Jamie's shit, Cat shit. That thing sound good too.
Do a burnout with TLX.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to hear the MR2 though.
That's a wild ass car.
That shit,
I like that.
that shit might go a little sideways. Hopefully he stay in
Yeah,
it.
that shit's like on fucking ice skates, bro.
We're in Mexico. Don't try this at home.
Oh, yo, that's gotta be him right there. Look. That's Mario. Yo,
I'll tell Mario. I'm gonna tell Mario to come back.
Mario don't want that smoke.
Nah, I just want Mario to do a burnout. He'll come back.
Yo. How that thing feel?
Feels great.
Yeah, that shit sounds crazy.
Looks all of it.
Yo, that shit's not bad. I might get myself MR2 now after watching that shit.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Shit ain't no street car. My man got two
Street car.
Kirkies. Yo, yeah, it's some bad.
That shit sounds
That's
good.
some bad influences right here. Yeah, let me see something. Yeah, let me see something for YouTube. That gotta be your cousin. That gotta be your cousin. Yo, cause he don't know how to drive. That's your cousin.
Like 4 J-Rocks in the car.
Yo, he needs to go back to Avon.